morning, Miss Sala.
Good morning.
Welcome to City Hotel. My name is Julie, and I am your butler.
Nice to meet you, Salazar.
Nice to see you too, ma'am. May I carry your luggage?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Let's proceed to your suite, ma'am. It is in the 20th floor. This way, ma'am.
Ma'am, allow me to explain to you our hotel facilities. Breakfast will be available at Wingside Restaurant located in the lobby in the ground floor from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. We also have cafe and business center at the lobby level. Our meeting room is in the second floor. The swimming pool, spa, and fitness gym are on the fifth floor. Let us know if you need to make reservation for our restaurant or spa.
We are here in front of your suite, ma'am. Let me open the door for you.
Ma'am, your nearest fire exit is in the right from your room, and I will place your keycard in the electricity slot. Ma'am, allow me to explain to you your room facilities. You have safety deposit box in your wardrobe, a mini bar where your butler replenishes your drinks every day. Your remote control for the air condition and television is collected here for your selection. The telephone is here to make an outgoing call. Just dial 63 followed by the number, or you may press 0 for operator assistant. For hotel development, press 1 for front desk, 2 for housekeeping, 3 for room service, and 4 for security. The telephone directory is here in your drawer.
Would you like me to unpack your luggage, ma'am?
Yes, please. But my important things like watch and jewelry, like just put in my bed.
Okay, ma'am.
I am done unpacking your luggage, ma'am. Is there anything else I can do to assist you?
Not for now. I just want to relax because I'm tired of my 2 hours flight.
It is my pleasure, ma'am. If you need my assistant, ma'am, just dial 2 in the housekeeping.
Okay, thank you again, Julie. I will remember that.
Alright, ma'am, I will leave you now. Good day and have a pleasant stay with us.